Hi beauties, Maria here for Beauty Junkies, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Pro Crease Brush from Beauty Junkies. This brush is best when used to apply shadow into the crease of your eyelid. And this brush does a really great job at really concentrating color right into the crease of your eyes. You can put it in your natural crease, or if you don't have a very apparent natural crease, you could create the illusion of a crease, but this brush really helps bring some dimension to your look by packing on a color right in the crease area where you want it. To start, dip the brush into the Beauty Junkies eyeshadow shade that you would like to use for your crease, and be sure to tap off any excess. Then place the brush in the crease of your eye starting from the outer corner and start patting and blending the shadow forward. To find your crease, it's basically the hollow part of your eye that is between your brow bone and lid. It's where your eyelid naturally folds, or creases, when you open and close your eyes. Everyone's is different, so you can place the color in your natural crease or create a new crease higher up if you need, by applying color just above your natural crease. Feel free to stop and grab a little more product as needed throughout this process. It's best to slowly build up color than to go right in with too much pigment. Applying a crease shade is a great way to add some depth and dimension to your eye look. You can see here already the depth and definition this slightly darker crease shade adds to the eye, blended just below the lighter transition shade. And that's it. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a beautiful day.